long as you got your eyes, got your drippy on them private jets, taking trips, come back at 6, wake me in your child, and it won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with, makes me wonder who you think playing with. I'm just on myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear to change, but I know that the end is you on scene. Think you know you're not so funny to see. That's why you think I'll ever waste time. Got tired of your shit, you almost took my line. Don't say, you'll continue to try to play this game. Need a family in the cold man. I don't think you'll ever change your ways.
I think it's cute. Let me see.
That's not funny.
You look like your sister. I mean, my sister. Shay. Yes. Oh my God. Thank you so much for coming down.
Yay.
You just not know it. She said that yesterday.
Hi. How much money would I need for my hair?
Say how the phone goes. I'm gonna go
So Fulani braids, you know that style that lady had did with the olive twist? The braids going to make it in the rest.
Long as you got your eyes, got your drippy on them private jets, taking trips, come back at 6, wake me in your child, and it won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with, makes me wonder who you think playing with. I'm just on myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I know that the end is you on scene. Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you think I'll ever waste time. Got tired of your shit, you almost took my line. Long as they call your name, you'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain, and I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause a house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? Hey, you know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out your life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time. Don't you on scene? You're so funny to me. That's why you think I'll ever waste time. Got tired of your shit, you almost took my line. Long as they call your name. Long as you got your eyes, got your drippy on them private jets, taking trips, come back at 6, wake me in your child, and it won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with, makes me wonder who you think playing with. I'm just on myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I know that the end is you on scene. Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you think I'll ever waste time. Got tired of your shit, you almost took my line. Long as they call your name, you'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause a house is not a home where no wants to show my line. Long stay on me. I can break you off, and you'll give us to it all. Speak for me when I don't go.
Okay.
I can break you off, and you'll give.
Welcome back. Shall try it. There you go. Welcome back, y'all. So today is real cutesy. Not real insane, you know, just a little 1-2 on the hair. Mine braided up. Hers braided up. Y'all, we finna take some pictures, a few videos too, but not much, cause she not dressed yet. So it's just like an intro. You get what I'm saying? Like, it's the intro to what we actually gon'. What is he doing? So, anyway, what we actually gonna do. So yeah, today, gotta go to my friend baby shower. But before that, we gotta go to Dollar Tree, Burlington. I think that's it. But yeah, we gotta go to them stores. Then we gotta come back and get dressed.
No, we go to the hair store too. I want my earrings and my necklace.
They don't even open up till 1 o'clock. We might have time. But anywho, this depends on them if they get ready. Cause I'm finna be ready in a few minutes. Watch.
I'm finna be ready. I'm gonna be ready first.
Yeah. Anyways, you guys. Now we're about to get a little picture, a little video, like I said, so y'all can watch us. And stay tuned for after this, cause I'm gonna just cut the clip and then we're gonna be at the store. Y'all should rate.
It's gonna be like an hour to 2 hours before we get to the stove.
That's insane. Okay.
It's currently 10:11. Check the time.
That's crazy. Okay.
Let's see what time we get to that stove.
Do it all, no do nothing at all, no do nothing at all. I can break you off, and you'll give us to it all. Speak for me when I don't go. I can break you off, and you'll give us to it all. No do nothing at all, no do nothing at all. Lately I ain't got no time. You can change my mind. What you need and what you like. Lately I ain't got no time. You can change my mind. What you need and what you like. I could be paranoid. The observation before me, you had all them boys. I'm just the one you've been stalking. I saw it soon as I walked in. I can break you off, and you'll give us to it all. Speak for me when I don't go. I can break you off, and you'll give us to it all. No do nothing at all, no do nothing at all. I can break you off, and you'll give us to it all. Speak for me when I don't go. I can break you off, and you'll give us to it all. No do nothing at all, no do nothing at all.
It's kind of hurt to it. I don't know, man. You really They sweating out. You gotta hurry up. Don't squeeze it, it hurts.
Girl, stop looking crazy, man.
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8. Yeah. I play so much.
Alright,
I could go.
good time. Wait, it's slow one. Golly. Yeah, turn like a motherfucker. Oh, you make up in the bed. Put it down when you come to the front. Oh, you make up in the bed. Alright. Okay. She said her edge was starting to sweat, so we couldn't do too much, y'all.
Look at this grass in my band. Why would you put my band on the floor and I still
You
gotta
ain't
put
give
it
it to
back
me?
on my head?
Like she gave it to me or something. You know who y'all. We're done with that part.